Hi, this is Davut from Turkey office of ATEN. Actually, ATEN is one of the biggest companies of KVM and Pro AV industry. We have been contributing to HDBaseT for a long time, and we have implemented HDBaseT solution in many of our product ranges. For example, as you can see here, a meeting room solution with a special presentation matrix which is called VP1421, together with our receiver which is VE2812R, and also another receiver could be used here with HDMI and VGA in. Moreover, apart from this meeting room and Pro AV solutions, we also implemented the HDBaseT solution into our KVM devices. As you can see here, this is a mini USB DVI HDBaseT KVM extender with which you can carry DVI signal and USB signal up to 100 meters. This is the mini version, and also we have the big version, which you can see here. It can be called CE920. This is the USB DisplayPort HDBaseT KVM extender, which again can be used to carry DisplayPort USB signals up to 100 meters. For more information, you can visit our website aten.com.